In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Lucidchart diagram. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply need to get your diagram in front of someone else, we'll walk through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, if you're not already on Lucid, you'll want to head over to the Lucid website. Once you've reached their homepage, you'll notice the Login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. From here, you'll have the option to sign up using a few different methods, but for most simplicity, we recommend signing up with Google. Click on Sign Up with Google and choose your account from the list that appears. This is a quick way to get set up without having to create a separate account or remember another password. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open your Lucidchart documents. Click on Open to find the diagram that you're looking to share. This will open up your recent documents, and from here, select the one you wish to work with. With your diagram now open, you'll see various options at the top of the page. Locate the Share button and click on it. This is where all your sharing options live. One efficient method to share is by using a shareable link. To enable this, turn on the toggle for shareable links. Using a shareable link makes sharing a breeze, as you can simply paste the link anywhere you'd like to share it, from an email to a direct message. Before you copy and share that link, you'll want to consider how you'd like others to interact with your diagram. To do this, you'll need to change the access options. Depending on your needs, you can set the permissions to view only, which means others can see your work but not alter it, or you can allow editing or even further sharing. These options can be tailored to ensure that your diagram is viewed or modified just the way you want it to be. Once your permissions are set, the final step is to, you guessed it, click on Copy Link. This action places the shareable link onto your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Whether it's to share with a team member or to present to a larger audience, you now have a handy link that provides access to your diagram. And that's all there is to it. Sharing a Lucidchart diagram is a straightforward process once you know where all the necessary tools and settings are located. By following these steps, you can ensure that everyone who needs to see or collaborate on your work can do so with ease. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.